First blood. Double kill.
Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'm great how, putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words. Pastries hate me, and you better find some fucking safety.
First blood.
I like a bad bitch. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's crazy. And I'm sick of you
Double kill.
it's over. And I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never and I will miss my chance to live now.
First blood.
You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family tight. Never cease to fight for and go right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You're fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back, what they say about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until
First
make it,
blood.
bro, don't fake it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control, then don't just take it, eh? You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and don't look life till it's
Triple kill.
not forget.